Let's make egg roll in a bowl. We're going to be using gluten-free Aloha Shoyu, but you can use whichever you like. I've got red onions. I've got my green onions here already. Gluten-free Aloha Shoyu, right along with some minced garlic. I used about 6 or 7 cloves for this one, but you can add how much as you like. Then I'm going to use some fresh shredded ginger, oyster sauce. I've got some rice vinegar, and then some sesame oil. I'm going to be using ground turkey, but you use whatever you like. And then I've got a bag of coleslaw. So easy, and the ingredients are so simple. We're going to start here with just browning your meat. And again, I'm using ground turkey, but you can use beef, sausage, you can use ground chicken, you can use whatever you like. I like to cook my onion in with the meat because I just think it just gives it a really good flavor cooking it into the meat. I've already drained it, put it back into the pan, and now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients, starting with garlic. But you can put it in whatever order you'd like because it's all going to cook together anyway. There goes my ginger, and now I'm just going to start just folding it in and just cooking it slowly over medium heat until it's all nice and blended through the entire meat. Now I'm adding my coleslaw mixture. And don't be afraid, it's gonna look like a giant mountain, but there's a lot of water in this and it's gonna cook down fairly quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water just to help this cook a little bit faster when I put the lid on to go ahead and steam it up in there. And I've got the exact measurements in the description below so that you can see exactly what the measurements are. Go ahead and cover, let it cook for a few minutes until it gets nice and steamy, just like this right here. Now that it's pretty cooked through, just go ahead and continue to fold it, and we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, and this is gonna be all ready to eat. Here I'm gonna go with my gluten-free Aloha Shoyu, but you can use whichever Aloha Shoyu you like. Now I'm gonna add my sesame oil, just a little bit. Again, the exact measurements is in the description below. A little bit of rice vinegar. I'm gonna use oyster sauce. You can use Hoisin sauce. I just couldn't find any at my local grocery store. Now you just want to make sure that you thoroughly mix this dish here so that all of the ingredients are evenly spread out. Do that for a couple minutes and then you're going to be ready to eat. I really like this meal right here. You can feed your entire family. It's really inexpensive meal and it's good for you. All right, guys, that's it. That's an egg roll in a bowl, healthy version of an egg roll. Absolutely delicious. Throw a little green onion on there for garnish, and you're ready to go. Share your comments below. What do you guys think? Have you tried this before?